DJI Avata Pro-View Combo, DJI Goggles version 2, first-person view drone, UAV quadcopter with 4K stabilized video, super wide 155 degrees field of vision, built-in propeller guard, HD low latency transmission. Hi, welcome my friend. Experience the thrill of total immersion with unrivaled safety and control. DJI Avata features a built-in propeller guard, 4K stabilized video, and flagship transmission technology. When you combine the Avata with DJI goggles and the motion controllers, flight is easy and fun for pilots of all levels. DJI Avata is compatible with DJI Goggles version 2, DJI FPV Goggles version 2, DJI FPV Remote Controller 2, and DJI Motion Controller. Horizon Steady is only available in normal mode FOV. DJI Avata only supports downward obstacle sensing. When used with DJI FPV Remote Controller 2 or DJI Motion Controller in M mode or S mode. DJI Avata must maintain a distance of at least 25 centimeters from the ground. Compared with the DJI FPV Goggles version 2, what upgrades does DJI Goggles 2 have? DJI Goggles 2 feature is head tracking function. DJI Goggles 2 weighs only 290 grams, which is 30% lighter than the DJI FPV Goggles version 2. DJI Goggles 2 is equipped with two 1080p micro OLED screens. DJI Goggles 2 supports Wi-Fi wireless streaming, and for more questions and answers information, please refer to the product guides and documents. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.